Okay. So same like vendor master creation, we can create customer master creation also in 3 areas. Like I would like to go here. Customer master data. Okay, same 3 areas we can create. One is company code area. Same like vendor master data, company code area. Okay, transaction code. Over there, FK01, here it is, D is nothing but data. FD01. FD01. Okay, next one. Second area we can create as sales area. Over there, purchasing data. So here it's a sales. Sales area. And transaction code is VD01. VD01. Next one, centrally. Centrally, XD01. Okay, first one, company code area. So what are the prerequisites for in the sense? Company code area. Write on this. Company code area. What are the details we required for this in the sense? In FD01. Okay, so here, first one, customer number. Customer number. Next one, company code. Company code. Customer group. Customer group. Okay, so what are the details we need to give in these tabs in the sense? First tab, we need to give general data. We have a general data, first data. So in this, we will give, in general data, we are going to give customer address. Okay. And next we have control data. In control data, we need to give payment transactions. It's same like your vendor master. Payment transactions. And next here we will give export details. I'll show you in the screens also. Export details. Okay, export details. Next one, loading details. Next one, contact details. We need to give contact details. Okay, this is about your general data. Okay, in next one, company code area. Company code area. In company code area, we need to give account information. Account information. Payment to transaction, same thing here. Payment transaction. Payment transaction. Next, correspondence. Correspondence is nothing but for reminders. Correspondence. And additionally, we will have in this particular customer insurance. Insurance. Okay. Thus now we have one more, withholding tax. So in vendor master also we have withholding tax. Over there we calculate TDS. Okay. And this here we calculate TCS. We will do what is TDS and TCS part also. So just write it down, withholding tax. So vendor, it is a TDS. When it related to customer, it is a TCS. TDS, tax deduction source, in tax collected source. Okay. Next one, in company code area, we will give this all these things. Okay. Okay. In sales area, we have sales area. So next one. Sales area, we have VD01. So what are the details we required in this, in the sense? We require customer number, and under that sales area, under sales area, under sales area, we have sales organization, next one distribution channel, and division. These are the important things in sales area. That is nothing but in SD module. Okay, next one we have customer group. General data is common for everywhere. Okay, customer group. Okay, so the general data would be common. So whatever general data is there here, this general data would be common. In company code area, we will have the same general data. In sales area also, we will have the same general data. Okay, this is general data. Next one, we have sales data. Under sales area, we have sales data. In sales data, we have sales information. Next, we have shipping details. Next one, billing details. Next one, partner function. Clear? Next one, we have last and final one, central link. So central is nothing but XT01. See here. VD01 is nothing but your SD consultant. SD module. You can write it as an SD module. And the above one FD01. This is we use in AR module. This is our part. Okay. The last one, combination of these two. is nothing but your centrally. You can write centrally is nothing but combination of so what is the things we have? See here. Combination of your company code area plus sales area. Combination of your company code area plus sales area is nothing but your centrally. Combination of company code area and sales area. So when we are going to use this one, this is at the time of FI SD integration. Clear? Any questions here? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions here?
No.
Can you please go little up to sales data? Just wanted to note it down. Sales data. Just little up to the screen. One more. Little more up. Sales data.
Yes, sir. Someone's.
This we wanted to write this sales.
Your voice is.
We wanted to write this sales. Yeah, that's it. That's fine.
Because echo is coming.
Still, is it coming?
Sorry.
Still, it is coming.
Yes. I think you've logged in two systems. You mute in one system.
Yeah, I muted also. Okay, so that's it.
If you want to write, you can write it.
Not all these things, Naveen, only sales data, only above centrally.
Sales area.
Yeah, come down little. Yes, this one. That's it.
Once you're done, let me know, please.
Done, Naveen. Done from my end.
Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. So remember, like we are going to use company code area. Our role is company code area wise, right? Centrally, we required, whenever we are doing the integration, remember that we required, okay, we required customer number. We require customer number. Next one, company code area. So whatever details we have mentioned. Next one, sales area data. Clear? Central is. So here this is XD01. We are going to use FD01 or XD01. We can use both. But normally XD01 we use at the time of FISD integration. FISD integration, sales and distribution module. Clear?
I mean in real time?
In real time also the same thing.
Okay.
Clear? Normally if you are doing a AR module, you are doing integration of or configuration of AR module. Normally everything we will create in FD01. Customer and all. Clear? This is. And SD consultant will do all the configuration with the VD01 transaction code, right? Whenever we want to do the integration between this company code area FI and the sales area, that is nothing but your SD model. So at the time of integration, we use XD01.
Okay, I got it.
XD01. Clear?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay, let's create. Go to the right up. Create first step. Create customer master in company code area. Create customer master in company code area. Create customer master in company code area. Write down the path. Write down the path. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. Accounts receivable. Master records. Create. Master records. Create. Okay. So again, I'll repeat for everybody's benefit. SAP menu. SAP menu. Accounting. 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 Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Till now, we have done accounts payable part, right? Now, accounts receivable. Accounts receivable. Master records. Master records. Create. FD01. Create. FD01. FD01. Okay, create FD01. Okay, transaction code FD01. First, give your company code. What is our company code? What is the company code?
UT01.
UT, right? UT01. UT01. Okay, we have already created the groups. USCS, I think we have created. USCS. Ultra Service Customers Group. Ultra Service Customers. Company code UT01. And we are not going to create any customer number. Automatically, it will be get created. So give the account group and give your company code. Okay, press OK button. Click on continue button. So we need to create the details here. Company. Okay. Any name I'm just giving. Narendra Consultancy Service Limited. Short name NSCL. NCS. NG Nagar. So just write it down. Just write it down. Once you're done, let me know. Then everyone.
Yes.
Yes, Naveen.
Click on company code data. Click on company code data. Click on company code data. We need to give the reconciliation account here. We need to give here trade receivable service. Trade receivable service. Sort key 31031. You can see here customer number, vendor is different, customer is different. Okay, so 31. Okay, next one, cash management group E1. It's not A1. Here it's a E1. I'll show you. Cash management group E1. Customer receipt. Okay. Customer receipt. For payments, we used to select for vendor A1, and here it is a E1. Customer receipts. Okay. First reconciliation account 250200. Okay. Next one, sort key. Cash management group E1. So after entering the details, click on payment transactions. Click on payment transactions. So terms of payment U001. U001. Credit memo also the same U001. Just write it up. Okay, click on save button. Can I go ahead?
Yes, Naveen.
Okay, click on save button. So here you can see the vendor number 57 lakhs. The number has generated whatever. So we will create one more vendor. Okay, just note it down this number 57 lakhs. And we'll create one more number, one more vendor customer with the same details. Okay, I'm selecting company. Anything like service limited. Okay. And remaining all same as above. You can write it as it. Okay, same like company code data, reconciliation account, sort key, cash management group. Okay, same thing. Click on payment transaction, U001, U001. Just write it down. So you can write it as a note. The remaining configuration same as above. Once you're done, let me know. Same reconciliation account, same sort key, same cash management group. Okay, in payment on. Okay, click on save button. So we have not two customers. Customers are ready. Okay, next one. Next step, right up. Next step, right up. Create the required GL accounts. So required in the sense I'm taking two examples. One is consultancy charges, one GL account, technical training fee, one training account. Let's see, one GL account. Right on, create the required GL accounts. So here I'm creating consultancy charges one, technical training fee, and transaction code FS00. FS00. So I'll go to this directly. FS00. Company code UT01. So I'll create one account as a 320. One double zero. Create 320-100. Create. So other incomes. I320 P&L account, U finance, short text, asset consultancy charges. Just write it down. Consultancy charges. Okay, so other incomes, finance department, functional area, consultancy charges. Next, click on control data. Click on control data, only balance in local currency. Select only balance in local currency. Okay. Line item display. Line item display. Line item display, sort key. 001. Sort key 001. Next one. Clear? So local only balance in local currency. Line item display, sort key 001. Click on bank create interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Revenue accounts U029. U029. view 0. Save button. So account has been created. Consultancy charges account. So one more account I would like to create. 320200. So with the template 320. So copy of 320100 UT01. So I'm not doing anything new. It's an old one only. So I'm copying of the attributes of 320100 to 320220. Just I'll change the description. That's it. Okay, just change the description. Technical training fees. So remaining will be the same. Remaining all will be the same. Just write it down and click on save button. Till here, any questions?
No, Naveen.
Income customers are ready, incomes accounts are ready. Okay, next write down. Next step, third step. So we have done with the customer creation, GL creation. Next one, post customer invoice. Post customer invoice. Within the bracket, write down single screen. Okay, post customer invoice. Write down the transaction code, sorry, path, SAP menu, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, and invoice. Document entry, invoice. Transaction code FB70. FB70. So here post customer invoice, within the bracket write down single screen. FB70. I'll repeat once again. Okay. So SAP menu. SAP menu. SAP menu. Okay, path SAP menu. Accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. Next, document entry. Document entry. FB70. FB70. Accounts receivable. Document entry. And FB70. Single screen. Okay, first check whether you are in the same company code or not. Okay, if not, same. Change company code or switch company code. Okay. Okay, select customer number. So I'll select customer number here, 57 lakhs. If you don't remember the customer, then search. Search in company code. UT01. So here Narendra Consultancy. Date F4 F2. Okay, or else what I'll do, I'll take yesterday's date. 02623. So first customer AR posting. AR01. AR01. Period will pick automatically. Currency will pick your company code as per your company code. Next one, GL account 320-100. Amount 1 lakh. Amount 1 lakh. Enter. Net due date is the past. Okay. So copy the amount. Give business area and profit center. UHYD. Profit center U1000. Okay, or else you can make this as a corporate profit center. So we can generate report corporate level. U9000. So write down the amounts. Okay. So press enter. Okay, click on simulate. Yes, everyone completed this. So nothing new.
So nothing new.
So again, please. So we have given business area UHYD and profit center U9000. So any questions in this?
No.
So click on simulate. Click on simulate. Write down the entry view. Write down the entry view. Customer account debited. That is nothing but Narendra Consultancy. Debit the receiver. Okay. And credit GL account. Consultancy charges account. Why consultancy charges account are been credited?
It is income.
Sorry.
We are providing services to the
So
customer.
why credited it is? Why it's been credited?
This is invoice.
Sorry.
This is invoice, right?
So what? I'm asking it's invoice only, but why I'm asking why it has been credited consultancy charges? According to which accounting rule it has been credited?
Nominal account.
What is the rule of nominal account?
Debit all expenses. Credit all income.
Debit all
So what is this?
charges, credit all incomes. Income.
It's an income, correct? It's an income. Okay. So that's the reason, as per nominal account rule, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income. So consultancy charges we are providing. So we need to receive from a customer. So that's the reason consultancy charges has been credited. And write down this entry. Okay. So now click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. Document number has been generated. First document number in AR module. Click on document display. Click on document display. Same thing you can see here. Narendra consultancy charges. Now see instead of Narendra consultancy charges in GL view, it will show it as a trade receivable services. Trade receivable services. So write down the GL module. You can see here. Trade receivable services account debited to consultancy charges. Any questions here? So write down this entry. Once you are done, let me know. So trade receivable, it's a reconciliation account. See here. 250200. In entry view, what it is showing? Here it is showing customer account. 57 lakhs, right? But when you go to GL view, it will show the reconciliation account. That is nothing but 25200. Trade receivables. So your customer account is linked to your GL account, reconciliation account. So that's this particular reconciliation account, that reports of customers will be triggered to FI module or GL module from GL to FI. Clear?
Yes.
So we will see one more entry with the same vendor. Fine. 57 lakhs. F4, F2. So I'm taking 80,000, 60,000. Okay. 1,40,000 total income. Write on this. 1,40,000. Okay. So go to payment tab. We will give discount. Manually, I'm giving 10,000. Manually, I'm giving 10,000 discount. Manual discount, I'm giving 10,000. Right on this, in payment tab, we are giving basic data tab. Business area, we will give business area PHYD. BHYD. So profit centers B1000. So we are taking different profit centers here with discount. B1100. Any questions still here? Any questions?
Naveen, it's U1000, U1100.
Sorry?
Instead of B, we can enter U, right? We have profit center.
Sorry, I'm sorry. It's not U. It's a U only, not B. B is other batch. Now it's correct, right? Yeah, just write it up and click on simulate button and write down the entry. Entry view. See here. Narendra consultancy charges account debited 1,40,000. 2 technical training fees account 80,000. 2 technical training fees account 60,000. Just write down this entry view one. Okay, the next click on post button. Click on post. Next document display. This is again your entry view. Narendra consultancy services to this one. So click on GL view. Click on GL view. So here trade receivables got triggered. Just right now, I'm just checking whether do we have any other layouts. Just write it down. I don't want to change. So in GLU, I would like to highlight the reconciliation accounts. Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Hello.
Done, Naveen, done.
Yeah. So we will try to post one more entry. Like 70,000. F4, F2. AR03. AR03. Into 0100. 3 lakhs. Right on this. Click on payment tab. So here we will give some other payment terms. I'll try to give UIP1 installment payment. UIP1 ultra 40% within 30 days, 60 days 35%, 25% in 9 days. Okay. So UIP1 payment terms, installment payment terms. Okay. And business area, Guntur, UGNT. Profit center. U1100. Sorry, 1200. 1100 ಅದು ತಿರ್ಗೋದು. 1200. Right on this. So Guntur business area, 1200 is a profit center, and we took a payment term as an UIP1. Okay, the payment terms will be payment will be split into 3 parts. So click on simulate. So in entry view, it will not show anything. See here. Only it will show the amount splitting part out of 3 lakhs. First 1,20,000, next 1,05,000, next 75,000. Okay. Write down the entry view. Okay. So click on save button. Click on save button. Now, if you see the document entry display in GL view. So here you can see here 30 days, 1,20,000. 60 days, 1,05,000. 90 days, 75,000. Write down this. Write down this entry. Document currency, local currency, hard currency. Is it done?
Yes, yes, done. Done now.
Okay. First, we will see display customer balance. Next up, write down display customer balance. Display customer balance. Write down the path. SAP menu. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. Account. Display balances. Display balances. Transaction code. FD10N. FD10N. Or we can see one more way also. This one we'll see. Or line item report. Put a heading as an instead of balance, just put a heading as an customer line item report. Once we understand it, then we can understand this. Customer line item report. Customer line item report. Okay, path is the same as above, but here it will change as a display or change line items. First, we'll understand this, then we can go for this. Custom display change line items. FBL 5N. FBL 5N. Okay. Account. Okay, so here you will have account, we will have all the customer reports. So FB5, FBL 5N. I'll repeat again. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, account, and FBL 5N. FBL 5N. FBL 5N. So what is our customer? Customer number, open items, and here it is normal items. So click on execute. So as of now, we have not done any special GL transactions. So we are selecting only normal items. We didn't do any payments, so we are not selecting cleared items, nor all items. So click on execute. Click on execute. So we can see here document due, document date. Okay. We will change it. Second. Second, I'm just checking the symbol, due date symbol. See, just according to our requirement, we need to just would like to show one thing. See, just I would like to show this particular thing. See here. It is showing the symbol indicates that overdue. And this is due. These are due. Not due. You can see here, not due. You can see the symbols. Clear? So 90 days due date, dues, arrears, 90 days still time is there, 60 days, 30 days still, minus is nothing but still. But here it's a overdue. One. Clear? So this particular thing you need to understand. Overdue amount. Just write it down. So what does it indicate? It's an overdue. Net due date. So this particular symbol indicates overdue of how many days? 1 day completed. Because we have taken yesterday's date, document date we took yesterday's date. So which was due on 2nd June. Next one, we have taken today's date and we have given a payment terms of 001. U001, nothing but immediate. So it is due on today. Next invoice, we have installment payment terms. One is due, okay. 1,20,000 is 30 days due. So still 30 more days are there. And 1,05,000 on 60 days and 75,000 after 90 days. So here try to understand the symbols. Minus symbol is nothing but still it's still we are not supposed to pay. Still time is there, but with the positive in the sense we are supposed to pay. Okay. Any questions in this?
No.
No, right? So next one. Credit memo. Post customer credit memo. Post customer credit memo. In single screen. Post customer credit memo in single screen. Write down the path. SAP menu. Accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. Document entry. Credit memo. Transaction code FB75. Transaction code FB75. Credit memo. So I'll repeat once again. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. document entry, credit memo. Credit memo, FB 75. FB 75. Okay. So customer number 5,70,000. Today's date. So I'm posting a credit memo for second invoice AR02. That's 2,200. So here it should be credit memo. 3,20,200. 4,000. 3,000. So total 7,000. Okay. Give business area. UHYD. Business area UHYD. Profit center U1000. U1100. We have taken two profit centers, right? U1100. So two line items, credit memo, one first line 4,000, second line 3,000, and business areas are same. Profit center 1,000, 1,100. Okay. Right on this. Click on simulate. Okay, here you can see technical training fees debited and Narendra consultancy credited. 11 customer credit and GL debit. Custom 11 in the sense posting 11 in the sense customer credit. Just write down this entry as it is, entry view. Okay, click on post button. So click on document. So document number got generated, credit memo, document display. So GLB. Write on this. So debit, customer debit, GL credit. Sorry, customer credit, GL debit. Done, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we will see customer incoming payments. Right now, we have an invoice, we have a credit memo, right? Now we will do one payment. Customer incoming payments. Customer incoming payments or receipt within the bracket. Write down the path, SAP menu, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, okay, accounts receivable, document entry, incoming payments, transaction code F-28, F-28. So here incoming payments F-28. So click on F-28, F4, F2, F4, F2. So here document type should be DZ. Okay, for vendor payments, KZ. So here reference ER02, customer receipt, So here bank data is nothing but cash account, your cash account, 2,40,000. So I'm not giving any amount right now. I'm giving 1 rupee. Okay, customer incoming payment. Vendor account. So 5,70,000. So I'll search. $5,70,000. Write down it. Just write down as it is. Okay. Next, click on process open items. So deactivate other items. Okay. 1,40,000, 10,000. This one and 7,000 credit memo. 1,40,000, 7,000 credit memo and 10,000 discount. So 1,33,000. So here 1,23,000. Okay, understood amounts. So 1,40,000 minus 10,000, 1,30,000. 1,30,000 minus 7,000. So 1,23,000. 1,23,000. So click on document overview button. Click on overview button. Double click on cash account. Click on cash line item. Double click on cash line item. Okay, put a star mark. Press enter. So 1,23,000. Automatically it will pick. I have entered 1 rupee. So I have removed 1 rupee and 1,23,000. Automatically it picked when I kept star mark. Okay, next one. Click on document. Click on simulate. You can see now. See here. Discount allowed for first line, second line, and Narendra Consultancy cash account 1,23,000. Just write it down. Okay. Click on post button. Click on post button. Document number got generated. So document display. You can write it down. So write down this entry.
So Navin, we are clearing the customer incoming payment here.
Yes, right. We are doing the payment.
Sorry, we are.
Receiving the payment from the customer.
Yes, that we are clearing.
We are clearing whatever you want.
Okay, okay, okay.
Is this clear?
Yes, yes.
Once you're done, let me know. Please, sir. It affects entire recording. Once it's done, please let me know. Done. Okay. Next one, posting with double screen vendor invoice. Post customer invoice double screen. Post customer invoice double screen. Write down the path. Path same as above. Till document entry. Path same as above till document entry. From there, select invoice. From there, select invoice. And from there, select general document. Sorry, general. General. Within the bracket, document screen. General document screen. Transaction code F-22. Transaction code F-22. Transaction code F-22. Will show from here. Invoice general. F-22. This is a double screen. AR04. Customer invoice. So customer debit 01. So next vendor I'm taking. Second party. /01. Okay, press enter. 64,000. Payment terms. We have used already U001. Installment payment terms, we have done it. Discount earlier we have used. So I'll give fixed date payment term. UFT1, fixed date. We have not used it in APR. UFT1, fixed date. So here, when I say UFDI, so you can see the payment date. So see here, it is taking 15/7, 15th July. Clear? If you see the payment terms also, for example, we will see that. I'll explain that. See here. See here. Ultra 15th, if I select here. See here. UFD1, Ultra 15th day fixed payment term. So what is today? Today is June 6th. Okay, June 6th in the sense it's need to be paid on 15th of June. 15th fixed day is 15th of June. But additionally from there, okay, additionally we have given one more month additional date. One more month additional date means 15th June to 15th July. So here you can see the baseline date, it is changed to 15/7, right? So normally fixed day, what is the fixed day? Every month 15th it has to be paid normally, 15th day. And one more condition what we have given, okay, this month 15th is a fixed day, but from that it need to calculate 1 month more, 1 month additional months more, in the sense 15th June, from there again 1 more month, then the baseline date due date will be calculated from 15th July. The due date will be calculated as 15th July. Clear everyone? If I remove that additional 1 month, then it will become 15th June is the due date. Understood?
Yes, understood.
Okay, next month 15th it is taking now, not this month. Baseline date is 15th June, but now additional 1 month, 30 days additional credit we have given. So that's the reason it is taking 15th July. Understood?
Yes.
Understood or not? So here you can,
Got it.
sorry.
Understood. Naveen.
So here you can see days in percentage, 30 days it is taking. Okay, so I'll take here. Customer invoice with fixed day payment terms. You need to have an idea when the customer is asking what is fixed day payment term, SAP is providing or any other ERPs are providing. You need to understand the logic of fixed day payment term. Okay, so next one here, 01. So here 50, 50. GL credit 320100. 320100. Write it down. Payment term, we have taken LFD1. Baseline date, automatically it got changed as per your payment terms. Okay. Press enter. Sorry. Three 20100, right? Enter. Start to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. Okay, profit center. Profit center. U1000. And business area UHY. Just write it down. Start to copy the amount plus to copy the text. Profit center U1000. Business area UHY. Now click on simulate button. Document simulate. So you can see here. Customer debit, GL credit. And post. Okay, document got generated. Okay, one more invoice. Day limit, we will post one more payment term. That is day limit. I'll take 1106. I'm taking future date. So 11, just don't write it thus. Just observe. We have given day limit as an 11th. I'm giving 11th. Don't write this. I'll show you the message. AR05 01. Center 48,000. Payment terms, I'll give day limit, right? I think we have given UDL1. See here, ultra payment term 10th day means on 10th. If the invoice is before date, it will accept. But I have given 11th date, then it will show an error message. You can see here. See here. For payment term UDL1, the day limit 11 is not defined. What is the message it is showing? You understood? 10th day, before 10th it will accept, but after 10th it won't accept. Before 10th, any date it will accept, but after 10th it won't accept anything, any date. So that is nothing but day limit. We call it as a day limit. Just write down this number. Whatever day limit your customer is going to define, before that it will accept. Okay, the document date should always before 10th, whatever day limit you are going to define. If it is defined as on 15th, then the document should be, date should be 15th. If you are defined as on 20th, then the document should be 20th or on before. Clear? So I'll close this again. So I'll post once again. Now I'll take today's date. Reference number AR05. Just write it down. Customer invoice. Okay. If you are done, then press enter. 48,000. So I'll give the payment term as an UFD L1. So now it will accept. Customer invoice. With day limit. Day limit. Payment terms. Write on this. See here, no message it is showing. It is accepting because the document address today's date, that is nothing but 3rd June. And the baseline date again, it will become 15/7. $50 320 200. Write on this. Enter. Star to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. Profit center U1000. Business area UH1. Write on this. Okay. Any questions still here? Yes, no.
No.
Okay. So document simulate and click on post button. Pastor, can you please mute it? Okay. So here the document number got generated. 18/4. Okay, this. Okay, 2 invoices we have posted. Next one. We will post one credit memo. 2 invoices we post, and we will post credit memo in double screen. Write down. Post customer credit memo in double screen. Post customer credit memo in double screen. Path same as above. Path same as above till document entry. From there, select credit memo. And from there, select general. transaction code F-27. F-27. Okay, F-27. So I'll go here. F-27. So reference, I'll post for AR04. I'll enter the text as a customer. Credit memo. 11. Write on this. Okay, press enter. 4,000. Write on this. Once you're done, let me know. Okay, press enter. Start to copy the amount, plus to copy the text. Business area UHYD. Profit center U1000. Just write it down. Okay, click on post button. Click on post button. So one more credit memo has been posted. Okay, any questions still here?
No, Naveen.
Okay, so what we'll do is, so we will see the next part tomorrow session. We will stretch little tomorrow. Same thing, we need to do the payments, incoming payments, one more incoming payments. And tomorrow we will see few reports, customer analysis reports. Next one, correspondence, same thing what we saw in AP part. Okay, same thing, all the receivables and next one. And tomorrow we will start with same time, special GL transactions also. So any other questions? So next weekend, we will start either Sunday, we'll start with the banking transactions, banking module. Next Sunday. Clear? Any questions meanwhile?
Naveen, APP got completed, I think, right? Yeah, this.
How it is got
will
completed?
come. Okay, okay. So
APP
because I
still
did not.
after banking module, we can do the APP, right?
Okay, okay.
Did we created any bank accounts?
No, I missed the last class, right? So
But
that's
still,
how I thought.
only I said only this vendor special GL transactions and the taxation part we have completed in last 2 weeks. Next Sunday, the other week we will start with the APP part. Automatic payment process after banking module. Clear?
Yes.
So once we are done with this, after cash journal, we will start with the integration. So in another third week, from here onwards, third week, we'll start with the FIMM integration. Clear? Or if at all anything newly added things, then I'll add and we will continue that. Because SAP is going to release one more sprint in next Thursday. So need to check if anything need to be added, then I'll add and we will continue that. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, fine.
A new release means, and there will be any changes on the steps
I
or
don't
any
know. I don't
additional
know.
steps?
Yes, I don't know because till Wednesday, if anything is released, I'm saying that's what. If anything, I said. Sprint, they are going to release on Wednesday, 11 o'clock, 11 p.m.
That is fine. That is fine. Whatever, if they have changed, I mean, if they released or not. But what kind of sprint means? What it will be?
Sorry.
So no, you said sprint release.
Sprint is nothing but any added or new things implement, then that release in the one sprint. What's your question? I don't understand.
How frequently they will do such kind of changes, Navin? I mean,
What?
How frequently they will do such kind of print release? Because we are
See, there is no timeline for them. According to the global requirement, whenever they go, but you muted, boss. According to the global requirement, what they will do is they will announce 15 days prior only. They are going to release the sprint. How frequently in the sense they don't have any timeline, but normally the complete version they will try to change from one September year to another September. But small changes, minute changes, they will release according to the global requirement. Global in the sense their major partner requirements. And even they are not sure when they will release it, but 15 days prior, they will inform all the partners that they are going to release one sprint with few changes, and that changes also will come to know once the sprint is released. And even that, is that applicable for us or not, we are not sure. That's the reason I'm saying till Wednesday we will wait. If something is added, that's the reason. If something is added, then I'll add that and we will proceed.
okay. So once the training is completed, if we got such changes, then how we will come to
You
know?
have to follow how I have not taken any trainings or something. Any sprint, I'll follow the books. I follow the websites. See, it's not mandatory that every trainer need to provide this. Or if you join in any organization, definitely you will get update on that. Probably if you are in that particular projects. And don't again say that after 3 years, if something is coming, you are going to update. I'm not sure, right? See, as long as you are there in the course, if any sprints are coming, any new releases are there, then definitely I'll include in that particular course and I'll do it. Hope you got my point. If something after completion